Hello everyone. Now we're gonna see how to preview your webcam video into any of the game Unity game object, and let's go and check it out. So here is our last tutorial game, and now I'm gonna add a script that would take the webcam video and render it in any game object texture. Let's go and do it. I'm gonna click and create a script. I will call it as a render texture. I think it would be appropriate if I name it as render camera. We don't need the update function now. It's very simple. We're gonna add only few lines of code. Let me make the font size bigger so that you'll be able to see it easily. There you go. Hope you're able to see it clearly. So now I'm gonna add the webcam texture class variable. Okay, public webcam texture. I'm gonna add a variable for this underscore camera. Then I'm gonna instantiate this object camera equal to now. Then I'm gonna instantiate equal to new webcam texture. So now the webcam is instantiated, and I'm gonna add this camera texture, webcam texture, into a game object material texture. So for that we need to get the rendered component. Get component renderer. I'm gonna take the main texture. Oh, sorry, material dot main texture. I'm gonna apply this webcam texture into the game object main texture, so that if you attach this script to any of the game object, that game object will be rendered with the webcam preview. You can see the webcam video on top of that game object. So now we just would assign the texture into game object texture, and now we're going to start playing the video. For that we need to check if the camera is playing. If it's playing, then we don't need to play again. So it's not playing, then we need to start playing. Underscore camera dot play. So that's it. So this is the code which is enough to render your webcam video preview into any game object. Let's go and check it out in our editor. Okay, so now it's compiled without any error. So I'm going to attach this script into our cube. So I selected the cube game object, and I'm going to remove this one, and I'm going to attach this render camera. And I think we don't need to declare this as public, so I'm going to keep it private. So it's a very simple webcam texture component. So if you go and click play, it should render your webcam video. There you go, it's working perfectly. Hope you're able to see my video, and that's it. You can also attach this component to any game object. You'll simply just replace the texture color into webcam video, but in this I just use the unlight texture material so that you don't see any lighting effect on top of this cube. But if you use any other material, then it will add up the lighting effects too. So let's try this script in our plane object. I'm going to drag and drop into this plane object, and let's hit play. There you go, you can see my video is playing, but still the color of the material texture is also added up with the video preview. So that is the problem if you apply a different material rather than the unlight texture. So if I just change this material color to white, then it will render better, but still you can see the light effects. So that's it. This is the way you can render your webcam feed into any of your Unity game object. Thank you so much. Cheers.